Hey, going you monsters. Today I wanted to give you guys just a bit of an introduction into how quick and easy it is to open the MT Godzilla Rooftop tent and also close it back down again. Also, I wanted to finish off with a couple of tips how to make sure your rooftop tent is nice and sealed when you're done with it and nice and watertight, guys. So to open it up, we start with the two side latches. So this one over here, which we can tighten to make sure it's nice and concealed. This one over here as well. Got your two main latches as well. Pop them open. And then it's as simple as voila. So pull your bungee down. Throw your cord over. Boom, boom, boom. Put these in. Now when you put these in, make sure it's this side first. And then awning. Tent side first. Then awning. Then we repeat the same for these ones here. And then just the last one. And that's it, guys. That's how quick and easy it is to open. What I'm going to do now is pack it back down and just show you guys how quick and easy it is to pack it down as well. So start off with the awning poles. Take those off as well. I'll give you a couple of tips as well on closing it to make sure it's done properly. So you will get the knack of it soon, but super easy, guys. So what we'll do is we'll close it all down. And what you want to do is you want to make sure everything's kind of tucked in. Grab the elastic as well. Make sure it's nice and high. So everything gets tucked in. Grab it, pull it down. So this is important, guys. So make sure with your left arm, just grab it, pull it all inside. Same with the right. Grab it, put it all inside so it's easier. Once you get it to about this height, it kind of stays, guys. So this is where you do your walk around to the left, to the right as well, and just make sure that it's tucked in. So this side here, it's all in. Gonna go this side as well. That in there. That's it, guys. Shut it down. A little bit's popped out there because it knows I'm making a video. Get that latch on. That latch on as well. Close it up. Close it up. Close your side latches too. One over here. That's it, guys. Nice and close. So you do have to make sure you double check that the canvas is actually tucked in. You do get quicker and quicker after you've used it a few times because you do get the knack of it, as I said. But if the canvas is tucked out, you've forgotten it out, it's not the end of the world. But if you do leave it like that and it's raining, that's how water actually gets in and it leaks. Now, if you don't open it up in a few months, that's how you find mold in there potentially. So 99.9% of the times there's mold or leaks, it's because the canvas hasn't been tucked in properly and the rubber going along the edge over here isn't making contact and sealing the top layer and the bottom layer together, guys. So that's a couple of tips. Hope you guys enjoyed the quick setup and pack away of the rooftop tent. Let us know if you have any questions in the comments below, and we'll see you guys in the next video.